Today I have a short and sweet tutorial for you. I'm just finishing up my garage and wanted to show you how I DIY'd my rolling wood storage. I am going to be using some wood glue, pocket hole screws, a Kreg R3, and then a power drill level clamp, pencil, mask, and then a right hand clamp and some casters, and a power sander. I measured and cut 4 2x4s at 6 feet at a 15-degree angle. Moving forward, we'll be working with one side. So you're going to put 2 2x4s with the angle going the same way, almost like a ladder. You're going to space them apart to match where you want it to go in your space. For me, that means 20 inches apart. I cut down 3 20-inch pieces and then I spaced and marked them where I wanted them, and that was about 17.5 inches apart. Instead of marking on the other side while it was laid out, I just put the 2 pieces together and marked them so I knew for 100% fact when I go to screw it in, it would be level. I adjusted my Kreg to the thickness of my wood and then put those on the end of the 20-inch pieces, and I drilled 2 holes on each side of those 3 20-inch pieces. Once those were all drilled, I just lined them up on the markings I made on those 2x4s in the ladder situation, added some wood glue, and just drilled in the corresponding screw length that is on the chart of the starter kit. As you go along, you do want to double check with your level to make sure that everything is straight and good to go, and then you're going to repeat that once more for your other side. This is when I realized I could make a ladder, but moving on, we are going to make the base, so we need 2 pieces that fit in between the longer space, which is 38 inches, and then 2 pieces that go from one side of the ladder to the other, connecting the 2 legs. I drilled pocket holes by mistake on the shorter pieces. Don't do that. Make them on the longer pieces and then screw that base together. I put that base up to all the legs of the ladder, if you will. That probably makes all this easier. And then you're just going to screw the casters onto the bottom of each corner up into the actual 2x4, securing it all together. Don't get this stagnant wheel. I totally messed up. Get the movable ones. So I need to go back and return that one and replace it. To secure the top of the ladder together, I just took some scrap wood and created a little DIY box with my nail gun, and then I screwed that into the actual ladder itself through the sides and made sure it was level. I started loading up all the wood onto this wood storage, and it freed up these 2 DIY shelves that I've made previously on my channel, and that got me super stoked because now I can put like batteries or paintbrushes or whatever up there. And there you guys have it. Like I said, super short and sweet today. I just wanted to finish up my garage and share with you the last piece that I'm putting in. I love that this wood storage is just able to move around and really hold so much of my wood and not be so sketchy as like my shelves on the wall where I've literally hit all the wood off and it's fallen on a project that I'm currently building. So I really do love this guy. Thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. I actually put a poll up to ask what DIYs you want to see moving forward, so please go ahead and vote on that. It's the YouTube community tab on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit me up on Instagram and talk with me. I want to get to know you guys. I'll see you Wednesday with another DIY.